Hello everyone, welcome back again. Let's discuss on AutoML, automated machine learning. AutoML is a technology that automates the process of applying machine learning to real world problems. It is designed to help non-experts and professionals build, train and deploy machine learning models with minimal coding. Those who don't know expertise knowledge on coding, they can able to build, train and deploy machine learning models with minimal code. They no need to expertise in coding. By using AutoML, you can able to build, train and deploy machine learning models with minimal coding. Here you can able to process data. You can clean and prepare data automatically called data processing, and also you can able to identify important features for model training like feature engineering, and also you can able to test multiple models to find the best one. Here model selection, there are pre-trained models available in the automated machine learning. So by using the pre-trained models, you can select any one of the best model by using model selection, and also you can able to optimize the model performance called hyperparameter tuning. You can able to optimize your model performance called hyperparameter tuning. You can able to assess the model's accuracy and effectiveness by using model evaluation, and also you can deploy models for real world use and monitors their performance called deployment and monitoring. By using AutoML, you can able to process data, you can able to feature engineering, you can able to select model, you can able to tune the model, and also you can able to evaluate the model, and even you can able to deploy and monitor AI model by using AutoML. Here you no need to expertise in coding. By using simple coding, minimal coding, you can able to build, train and deploy machine learning models. There are variety of AutoML tools available like Google AutoML, that is called Vertex AI, cloud-based AutoML by Google. And also H2O.ai, open source AutoML for enterprises. AutoScaler, those who know Python code, they have knowledge about the AutoScaler, that is by scikit-learn. Those who have knowledge about the Python, they should understand about the scikit-learn. And also TP-Auto, genetic algorithm based AutoML. Microsoft also providing Azure AutoML, which is cloud-based solution for AutoML, and also Amazon SageMaker Autopilot by AWS AutoML service. This is AWS AutoML service. These all are the popular AutoML tools. By using this AutoML, you can able to build, train and deploy machine learning models with a minimal coding. Those who don't have much expertise knowledge on coding, they can able to build, train and deploy machine learning models by using this AutoML. So here you can use cloud based like Google AutoML, Microsoft Azure or AWS Amazon SageMaker. These are the AutoML tools to build, train and deploy machine learning models with a minimal code. No need much expertise knowledge on coding. You can able to build, train and deploy machine learning models by using AutoML like Google AutoML, Vertex AI. Vertex AI is the cloud-based AutoML by Google, and also Microsoft Azure AutoML. This is also like a cloud-based solution for AutoML. Amazon SageMaker Autopilot, AWS AutoML service. These all are inbuilt AI models. By selecting the best one, you can able to build, train and deploy machine learning model yourself. This is called AutoML, automated machine learning. Those who don't have much knowledge of coding, they can able to build, train and deploy machine learning models with a minimal coding.